Hello guys, today I'm making chocolate chip Malteser cookies. In a bowl, add 3 cups of flour. And if you have malted milk powder, replace 3 tablespoons of flour with 3 tablespoons of malted milk powder. One teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix and leave it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of room temperature butter. Three-fourths cup of brown sugar. 3/4 cups of sugar. Mix for 2 minutes. Then add 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and mix. Add the flour mixture, one cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of Maltesers, and mix. You could put the dough in the fridge for 30 minutes if you want a thicker cookie. Scoop 1 to 2 tablespoons of cookie dough to your baking sheet. And add more Maltesers and chocolate chips on top. Bake these for 10 minutes in a preheated oven. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.